What's good, y'all? We're on our way to Daikoku, one of the most iconic car meet locations. Friday night, usually when it's popping. So hopefully we see some dope ass cars. I got my compass right here.
Hey, boonies right now. There's no car.
There's no car. Oh, shouldn't you just cancel one on us? Come on, man. He wasn't with it. My Shario. Oh yeah, I trust my Shario. He sounds incredible. Waiting on an Uber. No one's coming. We got one canceled ride. But yeah, today's our last night in Japan. So what better way to end our Japan trip than going to Daikoku once again. To get to Daikoku though, it's pretty complicated. If you know type situation. It took an hour train to get here because if we didn't, from our hotel to Daikoku would have cost us 120 bucks. So we got here in the middle and then we're gonna taxi from here and that's gonna cost us what, how much, like 30 bucks? Yeah, so it's way less. We tried driving as well and that was kind of cheaper, but we would have to get the car and then pay for a bunch of tolls, so we just want to be stress-free. So train and Uber it is. Hey.
If it ain't about the money, calm down, let me finish. Hey, can you tell me why these niggas in my business?
How to get banned from Japan 101.
What? Not get banned. They gonna appreciate me. They gonna put me in the Hall of Fame. You ready to turn up? You ready to turn up? Hey. Oh shit. Hello. Alright, y'all, we made it to Daikoku. I'm not sure if we got here too early or it got shut down, but ain't nobody here. We got some cars, but it's not as popping as it should be. Look at the FD. Got Lambo. Out here, y'all, Lambos don't even phase you no more, man. Where the NSX is at? It's cool because everyone's just waiting in the cars for people to show up and flex on them. Cool RX-7 right here. This one's nice. Shoo! Oh, the way. It's a nice one. What? They got a stretch bench? Damn, boy, folded. Let me try this thing. Hold on. Hey, how to break your back 101 right here. My happy place in Japan has to be the convenience stores. Every time I see a convenience store, I just feel like safe, like I'm at home. Like right here, we home, baby. Ooh, S15. Sick. Is that S15 or a Pontiac? That's a Pontiac, huh? I like his interior lights. He got the purple lights going on, karaoke. Sick. I just made a layer with this S15 right here. Hell yeah. It's sick.
Stock, spec S.
Okay.
I plan on throwing ITBs on it. So
You be drifting?
Not quite.
It's okay, man. It's too nice to drift. It says Evo 6?
Yes, sir. 96 Evo 6.
Hell yeah.
Got some Japanese goodies inside of it.
Sick.
Very good Courier Rad radiator,
Okay.
ARC heat shield.
Okay.
Upgraded turbo, HKS mushroom intake.
Ooh.
Got a Cusco twin disc clutch. Upgraded fifth gear for final gear.
Nice. Got a bunch of stuff done. Oh, he got the hood popped. Hold on. Hell yeah.
Cusco turbo support, shock tower support, front and rear, lens coil release adjustable. It's an ARC, Tomei fuel cap, HKS mushroom intake. Just a good essentials.
Hell yeah, dude. I don't know what half this stuff for, but it sounds nice though. Got another S15. Ooh, my brother got little oopsies. What? Big one gang. Sick. Oh yeah, more cars starting to pull up. Got 370. Nice, nice. White cars just looks the best on night. I kind of miss my cars being white. Is that a Prelude? That's a Prelude, right? Brother, slam too. Boy, what? Bruh. Nismo? Oh boy, wait, that's yours? Woo! Fire, bro. He like, oh shit, it's true. Woo! boy clean as hell. Damn. Ferrari. Hey. Grandma driven, okay. When your wife tells you need to get a family car, you getting too old? Bruh. That boy is slammed. Oh, shit. Bruh. His gas cap be lighting up. Yeah, he shitting on y'all. He shitting on y'all. What? Stop playing with the boy. Please like, favorite, subscribe, y'all, so I get one of these. That's all I want. I don't want a house. I want this. The red on red? Okay. Stop playing with blood. He got the red on red. Oh. Rocking the wingless. Okay. With the underglow? Okay. Damn. Big ass wang. Oh shit. They got the go-karts out too. I keep saying 240, 180, unless they imported it, flags. Big wing. They love the wings out here. Oh, but what? Workmeisters. I think that's a Lotus or something. Oh, these are sick. IS 300 go crazy on the Blitz. This is the baller section right here. Okay, fitment. Same wheels as us on the E36. He got the M-parallel wheels too. Oh, we got a Liberty Walk GTR. Got another RX-7. Sick. Another S15. Sick. Damn. Got a clean SC. Oh. Okay. He seen your boy recording. He tried to turn up. Bro, he in the business suit too. Fresh out of work. We got that Subaru. Clean. I like that color. Starting to get popping. Oh, got a 240. Okay. Or 180. My bad. Okay. Oh. missed my 240 now. My man's put up in the work fit. Straight out of work. That's that man's daily, boy. We got the Skittles crew right here. Go ahead. Brother Bright. R33. GTR. Sick. Oh, this one kinda wet. Shoo. This car so fast. The wing fell off, isn't it? Where the wing at? It's around like 9 p.m. right now. It's starting to be popping. Got a slammed ass MR2, okay. What? Oh. And he got the slab. Got an Anime IS. Oh, Paul Walker. Nice ass blue. Damn, whose dad is this? Hard. Ooh, we got the Mr. Bean. With the roll cage and everything. S2. Proper. Got the sewer caps on. Flexing. Hey, entertainment van? This dude TV is worth more than your used cars. Stop playing with him. Bang us? Oh, he got the slap. They got more TVs. Hella slap. Another TV. Bro, boy got like fucking 5 TVs on there. What? Another one, like another screen over there. Oh, this server is insane, bro. I never want to leave here. This is my last day in Japan, bro. I miss this shit. You can just, you want to see cool cars, bro. You just go out and boom. I'm not looking forward to going back home and seeing all these clapped out cars, bro. Daikoku has been my happy place. I'm gonna sleep right here. You know what? If y'all ever want to find me, I'll be right here. I'm slumming right here. You know what? What you eating? Oh, shit. Bruh, 2 of them? Yeah. And he on bags, too. Alright, y'all, that's gonna conclude our Friday night Daikoku car meet. Japan has been amazing. Not looking forward to leaving, but your boy's out of money, so your boy broke right now. I can't afford it no more, so we gotta go back. Appreciate y'all for tuning in as always. I'm gonna end this outro by looking at me, and we gotta go. Our Uber is here, apparently, so if y'all didn't know, you guys can Uber in and Uber out. It's gonna be a little expensive, but for sure worth it. If you guys can, just train to be a little closer to the location. But yeah, catch you on the next video. Appreciate you for watching. Catch you on the next one.
Hey, I ain't done yet. Counting all this money to my thumb, so I run that. She gon' give me